So I got a lot of really good feedback from the last video I put out on the burner for my Foundry. And the biggest thing was obviously the fact that a flare would help control the flame at the tip of the burner. And I should have better articulated it in the video. I actually had a reason that I didn't put a flare on there, and that was because I wanted to get the Foundry set up and tested with the burner in the oven, because sometimes, in some cases, at least from what I've read and gathered, the oven can act as its own sort of flare. I did get to thinking, I was curious how well this burner would perform, since I did kind of engineered the actual airflow in a few ways. I mean, obviously borrowing from other sort of ideas and designs, but I was really curious what it was capable of, what the output could really be like. I got another black pipe coupling, a 1.5 inch to 1 inch reducer coupling, and we machined it down on the mill and the lathe and fitted it up and tested it out and got some pretty interesting results, so check it out. So as you can see, that's ridiculously powerful. That flare does make a huge difference. And so if I was going to use that for a forge, I would be perfectly happy the way that is right now, or use it for another burner kind of outside of an enclosure. And now we're on to getting the oven made, and I'm fighting temperatures right now for casting the refractory materials. We're going to test it with both the flare off of it, and now we can test it with the flare on it inside the Foundry and just see if it varies results at all. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned.